Okay, now today let's learn how to install some batteries, some accessories of the camera. Now first let's install the wide angle lens. Okay, you can see the wide angle lens. This is the cover. And this wide angle lens consists of the micro lens and the wide angle lens. Screw here. This is the macro lens, and this is the wide angle lens. Okay, now we install the open the cover. Okay, now let's install the macro lens. Then you can use the macro lens. If you want to use the wide angle lens, you must use the macro lens first. Then you can use the wide angle lens. Okay, then you can use the wide angle lens. Then now let's learn how to install the external microphone. Install the battery of the microphone. Okay, use the horseshoe to connect the microphone and the camera. Then use the microphone cable here. And connect it. Okay, now let's learn how to install the video light. We need 4 AA batteries to use in the video light. This is a power on, power turn on and turn off. Still use the horseshoes to connect the. Okay, so if you want to use the video light and the microphone in the same time, you can connect the external microphone on the video light horseshoe here. It seems not right down here. It's okay, and you can connect here this horseshoe. Here. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching.